Details Automotive here with a trick. If any of y'all have 2011 to 2016 Chrysler Town and Country minivans, on this right here, it says 5W20, in which we've known that these engines like to tick, like usually people say is the cam bearings or something like that, well, like if they're not getting enough oil. What I did for it was put this 540 instead, and also castor oil, and it says European, but it's, you know, it says Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, but it needs it. So it takes about 6 quarts, and then we put more than 20,000 miles on this engine with no problems. Took it to South Carolina and back with this 540, and no more ticking, no more nothing. The engine just runs very smooth and how it really should. If you want that ticking problem to be gone and not make the engine last as long as possible, then get the 540 and then you'll be straight.